What's up, everybody? Back in the shop. Wow, that was really loud, huh? Back in the shop. Wanted to show you something really cool. The other day I went and picked up a ton of wood. I'll actually show you guys a picture. That's a lot. Whole table full. Everything from like mesquite to olive wood. There's some Indian rosewood in there. There's a bunch of stuff. And my initial thought with all this is, well, I'll process some of it down and I'll make a bunch of fretboards, or I'll process it into fretboard blanks, I should say. And then I would have something that I can, put up on eBay, make a little bit of money back, but also have some projects for myself. So I went ahead and grabbed one of the chunks of mesquite, which I'm holding here. Because it's hard to see. Let me grab this other chunk real quick here. This is just part of it. And, it's kind of hard to see what's all on the inside of this. And what I mean by that is the grain. It's hard to see the grain in there. So what I did is I went ahead and I cut a strip here off and kind of almost to fretboard size, but I didn't throw it through the planer or anything. I just kind of threw it on the bandsaw and did a quick resaw on it. This still has plenty of meat left that I can actually throw it through my planer and get a couple fretboard blanks out of this. Don't know if it's going to work because it does have a little bit of a knot here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a little bit of knot there. So don't know if I'll actually be able to use that one. Wait a second. Don't know if I'll be able to use that wood? That's blasphemy. I've got a whole, I'm going to show you guys real quick. I've got a whole box down here of what most people would call scrap wood. That is a dirty, dirty word in my shop. And the reason is nothing is scrap if you can use it. I was recently talking to an old friend of mine from high school. She does a lot of really cool stuff. She's up in northern Michigan now, or she's in Michigan now. I'll just say that. And if you get a chance, Southern State of Mines is her business page. I'll see if I can link some stuff to her stuff. She does a lot of really cool arts and crafts type stuff that's really awesome. But she recently reached out to me and was asking me about some different ideas, and so I thought, why not? I'll give it a shot. She was asking about wooden rings. They make a drill bit that you can drill into a thin sheet of wood, like so, and it'll pop out a wooden ring. I've looked into these before, and almost every single one of them that I've seen has said the reviews suck. I'll just be honest. They say, oh, it works great for 5 or 6, and then it just completely chips out my wood. I don't want that. So I thought, well, throw it on the good old X-carve and see what kind of different stuff that I can cut out of thin material. Which, by the way, I went ahead and sanded this so I could see the inside grain, and look at this stuff. Just awesome. And what kind of crazy fretboard is that going to be? Well, I don't know yet because, well, this one's not going to be a fretboard. But, man, just looks awesome. So what I did is I went ahead, like I said, threw a piece of that broke off onto the old X-carve and did a couple shapes in easel, just real simple shapes, and decided, well, let's go ahead and see what we can do. And, well, bam! Don't know if that's going to focus. Probably not. But anyways, I made a couple cool wooden mesquite rings. Now, these aren't great. They're not, not final sanded or anything, but super small. That's how crazy detailed that the X Carve can get if you have it dialed in and set up properly. You can get super small stuff. This one has a square top to it. This one's just a standard ring. But it was really fun. I also went ahead and did something kind of cool, just a little pendant for the ladies who like to be pendanty. I don't know. But something kind of cool. Like I said, the wood grain on it is just killer. Looks awesome. Looks great. And nothing is scrapped. This can still be used. I could set up an Etsy page, which I don't have one. Maybe I should. What are you guys saying? Let me know. Should I set up an Etsy page and sell stuff like this? Would you guys buy stuff like this? Cool pendant stuff for your significant others? But it's like I said, it's not scrap. It's something that can be used and be worn. And like I said, it looks cool. Got this cool mesquite ring. Got this cool square top mesquite ring. And I put them on my pinky because I made it kind of small because I didn't know what size ring I wore. But apparently it's bigger than this. So anyway, like I said, just a quick video. Nothing is scrap if you can use it. So use it. If you can't use it, find a makerspace. I was talking to a guy the other day. Runs a makerspace for youth for an after-school program, but doesn't really have funding. So if you have a wood shop and you have a bunch of scrap cut-off stuff that you're not going to use, find a makerspace out there and see if they'd be interested in taking a donation of some scrap wood. I'm sure that they could definitely use it. Other than that, don't let wood go to the scrap pile. Use it. Have fun. In fact, keep building, keep having fun. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and tune in next time where I will do something weird or fun or cool or maybe all of it. I don't know. Thanks, guys. This one's been fun, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If so, thank you.